If my thoughts were revealed, if only life were easier, what value would the walk have? What value would victory have? A winner is a dreamer who made their dreams come true. If only life were easier, what value would the walk have? What value would victory have? A winner is a dreamer who made their dreams come true.
Aproveitando o último, Nascer do Sol de 2024.
What value would the walk have? What value would victory have? A winner is a dreamer who made their dreams come true. Their dreams come true. It's in the mind and also in the heart. You can imprison my body, but not my dreams.